Okay, hello guys. So I just, as your classes have finished today, so we just wanted to have a sit and like a review session about what are your thoughts on innovative academy training and about your faculty. So can I get to know about from each one of you what did you felt in last few months getting trained from us and everything? Please start. Your good name?
My name is Pallavi. So I got trained from Naveen sir. It was for N plus, A plus, and networking. The training session was really good. He was really helpful about the topics also. Enjoyed the classes so far.
Do you felt anywhere that our training could be improved?
No, as I took training only from Naveen sir, I can't tell anybody else.
No, for that only. For any
Naveen sir was really
any
good.
concerns?
Nothing as of now. No.
You please.
I'm Gagan. So for the classes are going well and we have come to end of the class. So I feel so happy that I've been gained a good knowledge here in the institute. So I appreciate myself. Joining.
Don't hesitate to tell anything if you felt that somewhere we lack, because there is always scope of improvement.
Okay, I'm Karthik. I have learned here N plus and CCNA. And Naveen sir is our trainer. Our trainer was good. He has taught, teach everything as well clear. So we got good knowledge. We felt like, and here this institute also helped us to learn the new things about CCNA.
Myself Santosh. I joined here to learn networking as well as with AWS. To speak about networking coaching, right? Naveen sir, I feel he is the best because the way he explains, the way he gives out the example. Also, along with that, he gives the real-time examples. So it is very easy for us to. It was very easy to learn for us. So today we finished the course. So I'm feeling very happy because we know now what is exactly is networking. That's really great.
I feel great to hear that.
Hi, my name is Mansur Suya. Okay, I joined this academy to learn the N plus and CCNA and AWS. First course is completed in N plus and CCNA. Naveen sir is good trainer and he trained as a best friend like that. He not anywhere, not train any alternative work. He's given good coaching and I need to approach it to run into Naveen sir. And thank you.
Yeah.